This is an amazing leg exercise. Not only do you get to work the pelvic floor, the inner thigh, but you get to work the outer thigh and the glute too. So, standing tall and using something that can slide under your feet. So, I have a kind of a piece of cardboard sliding on a towel. If you have something like a DVD case, that's also handy. And if you have hardwood floor, then something like even just socks is good enough here. So, standing up tall, you're going to inhale and extend the leg out. And then on the exhale, I want you to bring that in nice and slow, focusing on the contraction of the pelvic floor first. And then if you need a little extra help, the inner thighs can help here. But really, I want you to focus on the pelvic floor with this one.